Hey guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Tay, and this is for electric unicycle and gadget reviews. And today I'm going to show you how I do this DIY transparent face shield that the hospital staff are using to protect themselves against the COVID-19 coronavirus that has been spreading globally right now. This is to prevent people from coughing and having their virus droplets reaching your eyes or mouth or nose. This way you can also protect against certain other elements as well. First, you need a scissors and you need a Velcro. Velcro is those stick and hook household items with adhesive. You need a table cover. This is a plastic table cover that's transparent. Next, you need any kind of staplers, as long as you can stapler two table cover together. Okay, next is you need to measure a length of the strip of this plastic. As long as you can go around your head and overlap a little bit is enough. Because everyone's head is different size, you need to measure according to your own size. Try to measure around your head using a string first before you cut the table cover, in order to not waste your plastics. Next, you need to take the plastic and cut up the plastic to a certain size so that you can go from ear to ear. Make sure it does not cover the ears, because you do not want the face shield to cover the ears. And of course, trim and cut according to size, not too far below your neck, so that you will not be obstructed when you are sitting down. I mean, when the face shield does not like touch your body when you are putting your head downwards. This is trial and error, because for kid size and the adult size is different, so you have to adjust accordingly. So of course, the top part you can be shorter and the bottom part can be longer. It's not necessarily the same length at the top and the bottom, so make sure you take note of that. The top is from ear to ear, not covering the ears, and the bottom can be a cone shape, like a widening base, so that you can cover much more area below your chin. Next is to trial for size, and make sure the top part is stick onto the strip of plastic, so that you can have a protection. And once you have measured accordingly, make sure the face shield is according to the reach of your face on the near the hairline there, and then use a stapler to staple accordingly. The plastic of this strip does not like totally go straight across the top, so make sure you notice that. And the back, you can use your hair to cover the plastic strip. Next thing is to use the hook and loop, or the Velcro, to stick onto the strip, so that you can actually stick onto your head. And of course, make sure the soft part is longer, and the the hook part is actually shorter, so that you can adjust your tightness accordingly. And after that, it's basically done. Just wear your surgical mask, your goggles if any. If you don't have goggles, it's okay, because you got this transparent face shield to cover your eyes, nose, and mouth, um, which is appropriate for any occasion during this COVID-19 epidemic that is spreading globally right now. This is also to prevent like in close contact with other people that is near you, uh, to cough onto your face, causing you to have these droplets onto this nose, eyes, and mouth. Remember to wash them, this face shield, when you reach home, and you can also eat stuff using this face shield as well. It's very nice. Yay! Basically, that's it. Thank you very much for watching Simon's video. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.